Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're here with another update. But before we jump in that, I know you saw in the title, we just want to try keep getting some subscribers. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Subscribing is free, completely free. And then you'll also be a part of the channel as well. Remember to like the video, leave a comment and share. All that helps YouTube to recommend the video to other persons. So thanks for clicking on this video. First of all, today we are checking an update on the CHRISTEL House, Jamaica. That's what we're looking at today. So I think their official opening was on October 5th, 2020. I did a previous video R2 on this project in the construction phase. They have not yet, they're not yet finally finished, but they're getting there. So CHRISTEL House is an international non-profit organization. The aim is to change the life of the poorest countries, the poorest children, through education. Their CEO is Honorable Sally Porter. She's the former Custos of Mandeville. So she was very instrumental in getting this non-profit organization to choose Jamaica as their next destination. It's right beside the MARTI High School right here in Twickenham Park. It's also right next to the Twickenham Park housing scheme as well. That's Twickenham Glades. So it's a very central area. We have the NHT head office close by. We have RGD head office close by. It's a very central area. It will cater to children from 3 to 19. So that's grade 1 to grade 13. So that's like upper sixth form. And it's two-phase construction. So they'll start out with 60 students in grade 1. And as those students move up the different classes, they would have been working on like the high school section. After a couple years, their full complement of students will be like 840 students in total when they have all grades filled. It'll be 3 class per grade as well. So it's a big development. It's a big initiative. It's really to impact life, because after graduation the aim is to continue working with these students up to 5 years, just to help them through college and then help them in the work world as well. So I love the initiative here, CHRISTEL House. There's not a lot of talk about it, but it's a great development, a great initiative for Jamaica. And when persons hear poorest country, I guess they're using like GDP, because based on that, Jamaica is the basically second poorest country in the Caribbean when it comes to GDP. So that's one of the initiative here. They're on about 10 acres of land right beside Marti. So yeah, they'll provide lunch, breakfast, transportation, books, all that. Transportation as well. So I don't think they'll allow boarding. So that's the other thing as well. Laundry will be there. Education is really the main aim, just to take some of these children out of the poorest neighborhoods and some of the ghetto neighborhoods as well. So CHRISTEL House Jamaica, that's what we're taking a look at. I'll go on the outside as usual, try get some glimpses around the place, so you guys can see how far they reach. And anyone that is a past student at Marti, just give us a shout out in the comments if Marti is your place. So stay tuned guys, watch till the end. We'll see if we can get a glimpse of Twickenham Glades as well, which is right next to this complex. They're currently on the market, 105 duplex 2 bedrooms, 13.7 mil and 14 mil based on size. So stay tuned, let's take a look outside. Alright guys, so the Crystal House compound, and it's right next to an NHT development. Twickenham Glades, it's almost ready for the market. They have just opened applications for that. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom duplex unit, 14 million. And then we have like the NHT head office. I have RGD as well, and tax office. It's a very central location. Alright guys, can't see much right now, but this is where the Twickenham Glades is going. Alright, so kitchen, living, dining, and then front porch. And this is the second bedroom. This is the front bedroom. Alright guys, there you had it, the Twickenham Glades. It was just a quick preview I got. Nothing too detailed for you guys, but just wanted to just show you guys around the area real quickly. It's not an official, but hey, just wanted to show you guys a quick glimpse. So apologies for the quick shifting of the camera and stuff like that, but as I said, just a quick glimpse for you guys. Alright guys, so this is where we started, and this is where we also wanna end the video as well. So again, CHRISTEL House Jamaica, transforming poverty through education. So they'll be focusing on the poorest of the poorest, covering them on transportation, food, clothing, schooling, everything from baby straight to an adult. Alright, so CHRISTEL House, Twickenham Park. I'll work on it so that probably one day I can get access to the compound and do a walk around with you guys.